Yo, what's good, YouTube? Today in this video, I'm gonna show you guys how I make consistent profits with my trades. I'm gonna show you guys my trading strategy, the most effective trading strategy that I use till this day, that like almost guarantees me a profit whenever I enter a trade. This is the trading strategy that I am confident, extremely confident in. And if I do take a loss, it's probably because of like a minor mistake I had traded on like if I trade on those type of days, that's only the time I really mainly take a loss. Till this day, like nothing that I've seen that I came across tops this trading strategy, honestly. It's simple to understand, it's not that hard. This trading strategy is like beginner friendly. Like if you're a beginner, you can learn this strategy like within like a week or two if you really just hone in on like trying to really understand it. I use this strategy to grow my small account. It works really well. It's extremely effective. Alright, so I mainly trade the SPY, but just to show you guys how effective this trading strategy really is, I'm gonna jump into like a different stock, and I'm gonna show you guys how effective this trading strategy really can be. I'm gonna like lay out the patterns for you guys. So yeah, we could just jump into the Apple chart, right? And the trading strategy that I'm referencing in this video is support and resistance, right? So support and resistance is one of the easiest strategies to like implement into your trading. It's one of the easiest strategies and the easiest but yet most effective strategy in my opinion. So with this strategy, right? Like as you can see here in the Apple chart, right? We're currently at support, major support, right? So in a perfect scenario, right, you will place calls right here. In a perfect scenario, you will place calls right here. Calls is wanting the stock to go up. So you will put calls right here at the current price point, which is 189, right? You would put calls right here. And then ride the stock up to around 190 and profit whatever line right here, right? Let's say this is support, right? We're gonna put green for support. Resistance, we're gonna put red, right? In a perfect scenario. Remember, perfect scenario. There's multiple factors that go into the stock market. It's never like as black as white as I'm gonna explain it. It's never that black and white. So in a perfect scenario, as we can see here, every time it came around this price point, which was like we went up to 190. So we came down, bang, bang. So it's just recognizing this pattern, repeating the same trend. So as we can see here, it comes up, comes down around this price point, comes up to this resistance, and resistance is right around 191, 190. So as you can see here, it's already spiking up. You feel me? It's never that black and white though, but it's multiple factors that go in. But you want to have these trading strategies as an edge. So, and as you can see here, this little spike right here, that's a profit as well. Like you see, it's just, you feel me? Well, honestly, I don't think there's news reporting today, is it? Yeah, no, there's not that much news reporting. Well, in the news that is reporting doesn't have that much of an impact on the stock market. So on a day like this, you could go into the market and have your trading strategy be your main in strategy, support resistance. Once I fully understood that trading strategy, once I fully like implemented it to my trading and scratch all the other trading like strategies that barely worked, I seen my trading just go to a whole nother level as far as profits, the amount I was profiting. Yeah, and this honestly took my trading account from the negative to the green fairly quick. Jumping back over to the chart, right? As you can see, off of that support, we have a massive green candle, right? And I'm trying to make it as simple as possible, but make sure you guys leave a like, subscribe, comment, and yeah, peace out.